Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get rid of suntan and get an even skin tone. Okay, so if you want to know what all of this comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to share the video, thumbs up this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions to ask me, be it personal, curious, or beauty questions, drop them on my website, guys. Alright guys, follow me on Instagram, and now let's dive into this video. And also we're gonna be needing egg, and in this remedy we're gonna be needing the egg yolk, okay, because it contains a lightening and tightening property that helps to shrink the size of large and open pores, and it will therefore help to leave your skin looking glowing, youthful, and radiant. So since we're going to be needing just the yolk of the egg, I'll have to remove it this way so I can remove the yolk. Oh my god, it almost getting to that place. Okay, so this is just the yolk, and that's what we're gonna be needing. And then we're going to be making use of moringa powder. Okay, if you have the moringa leaf, you can actually make use of the juice, but if you don't have, you can use the moringa powder, and you can buy this online, guys. Moringa powder is great for removing tan, removing pimples, and it therefore contains a lightening property. Okay, then for the moringa powder, we're gonna be needing half tablespoon of that. Then we're going to be making use of sandalwood powder. Now sandalwood powder is a great recipe or ingredient that helps to leave your skin looking younger and glowing. It therefore removes wrinkles and fine lines, and it would remove suntan. For the sandalwood powder, which is very important, we're going to be taking half spoon or so. We're going to be needing potato for suntan, in removing suntan from neck and face, okay, because potato contains starch and a lightening property, so it will help to get rid of suntan, lighten up the skin, remove inflammations, and it will also get rid of dark spots. Now for the potato, we're just gonna be removing the peel, guys. Okay, now when you're done removing the peel, you can as well just blend it so you can have enough of the juice. For me, this potato I have here is actually too small for me to blend because my blender is a little big, so I'm gonna be creating that in a circular motion so it can be a little bit smooth, and so the juice can actually come out. Alright, so now we're just going to be straining out the juice, so I'm going to be turning that, but we actually do not need too much of the juice, okay, so it will not make the ingredient too liquid. So that particular juice is actually okay. Now time to stir. You stir. Okay, so you have to stir till the moringa mix very well. Don't worry, it's just gonna mix. Everything is gonna mix very well. Another thing I don't like the way it smells is sandalwood powder. Okay, sandalwood powder is very good for the skin, but for me, I just do not like the way it smells. And this is perfect, guys. So good. Okay, so when you're done stirring and mixing, then you apply this onto your neck and face. So I'm actually going to be using my hand to show you guys this. Okay, so you take this treatment and then you apply it onto your neck and then onto your face. It's going to get rid of all the suntan, and your skin is going to be uniformed color and glowing and also very smooth. Okay, alright, so when you're done applying this, then you can hold it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, guys. Okay, so this is actually going to get into your skin and it's just going to help you remove all of the suntan, and your skin is just going to glow like really well. Okay, so this is one ingredient that you need to have. So after that, you can actually wash this off with a warm water, just a lukewarm water. Okay, not necessarily cold water this time. Warm water is going to be perfect for this. So for this, you can actually store this in your refrigerator for a couple of days. Then you have to continually use it to get rid of suntan. If you have a very sensitive skin, you can add up a little bit of coconut oil to this treatment. Yeah guys, so that's it. That's just a very simple, effective and home remedy to get rid of suntan, get an even clear toned skin, and have your skin looking polished and very smooth. So if you did love the video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And also, if you have any personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, please drop them on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I will see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye guys.